Right. Let's have fun. Let's go, Brandon. Brandon out ready. So let's make some t-shirt, guys. Cute, huh? Nice, huh? I do it myself, guys. I do it myself to support Trump. Trump. Right here, guys. Look at this. See? Look at this. I put myself right here. Look at this. Nice, huh? Put it on. Right, center. Let me get my rulers. Do my ruler right here. 6.5. Just move over a little bit. Right here. Okay. Six and a half, guys. That's it. Right. Let's see. 30 seconds. You will see 30 seconds. Look at this. Okay. Put on. Pull all the way. A little higher. Okay. You see it. Look at this. See, I make it myself. Looking nice, huh? Real nice, guy. You will see. That's all I need to do. You see it. This is the first one, right here. Look at 30 seconds. 30 seconds, baby. 1, 2, 3. Done. Fill it up. Ta-da! Nice, huh? I do it myself. I can save $20 each. Crazy, nice. Nice t-shirt. Let's go, Brandon. Brandon retired already, so let's do another one. I have a whole bunch of t-shirts. I have too many t-shirts, so I do this for fun, guys. Why not? To support Trump. That's all I can do. Cool down. Up. Put in. Go out. Measure exactly. So it turn out nice. 6.5. Perfect. Six and a half. Okay. Straighten it up. That's it. That's 6.5. Double check. From here to here, 6.5. Perfect. All the way. Put down 35 seconds. Let's go, Brandon. I do it myself. I'm crazy guy. Put one here. Done. Come on, look at that. Nice. Crazy, huh? Nice. Perfect. This is a nice picture. It's a nice one, guys. Okay, let me do this. Brand new. Alien t-shirt. Check it out. Whoa. Brand new t-shirt, guy. What the heck is stick right there? It's the last one. Let's see, last one, guy. Let's see how much from here to here. 5 inches. 5 inches. A little more this side. From here to here, just need to straighten it out. Right there. Okay, straight. Perfect. Let's do it. This is the last one. I'm gonna need to print more. Print more. I don't have more. I need more picture. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Oh, let's see. Let's bring it up. I need to put more straight it up. This one line. All right. Let's see. Ta-da! I think the white look nicer. Look right here. Crazy, huh? I think the white only turned out good. The white only, guys. The white only. This one I go out to wear tomorrow. I think white only turned out good. There's more, some wrinkle right here, so I need to straighten it out. That's right here. Put out here and see. Break it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. Break it out. What you guys think? Let me know, okay? Let me go and print more picture, and that's all. We're gonna need to print more. All right, see you guys later. All right, here we go. See? I do a couple right here, guys. Real nice. Turn out real good. Right here. Nice t-shirt, guys.